Here we have the Junghans, obviously German, Chronovox-S flip alarm clock, so with an alarm. As you can see, set, so I'll just turn it on. Very loud, very present. There you go. You can set the alarm. There you can set time. I won't touch it for now. It is stunning, beautifully red. Stunningly beautifully red. Just wait for the flap to turn. As you can see, it is plugged in. 220 volts, 50 hertz. Let's wait for it. There you go. Working like a charm. Clock is in a good but used condition. As you might be able to see, there was a sticker here. The sticker was very ugly, so I decided to remove it, even though that did leave a stain. I knew that would leave a stain. Let me see. Let's turn it around. It's in very good condition. The only thing which is really, bad and needs to be mentioned is that there is a small trim of plastic missing there. Not really much to do about it. Other than that, it is actually in a very good condition. What I also can mention is that the clockwork and the motor have been replaced by a set of new old stock clockwork and motor of the same type, of course, and they're working like a charm.